How to add social media links inside your website slider. Adding social media icons or links directly into your slider is a great way to connect your website to your online presence. With Slider Revolution, it's as simple as inserting a new button or icon layer. Choose a recognizable icon for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. You can even upload custom SVG icons for a branded touch. Once your icons are in place, link them to your social profiles in the Layer Actions panel. Make sure to open them in a new tab so users don't leave your website entirely. Placement matters. Consider adding icons in a corner or as a subtle sidebar. You don't want them to distract from your core message, but still be visible and accessible. You can also animate the icons or make them appear on hover, adding interactivity without clutter. All of these features are accessible in the visual editor. And yes, the link to try Slider Revolution for free is in the description. With access to the full version, you can use pre-built social link modules and save time. Social links encourage engagement beyond your website. It's one of the easiest ways to grow your audience and create a consistent experience across platforms. Add them smartly, style them with your brand's look, and you'll have a slider that does more than just look good. It connects.